Dany.ai reviews, features, pricing, and alternative, AnyBiz. Welcome to our review of Dany.ai, where we'll delve into its features, pricing, and alternatives. We'll also compare it with AnyBiz, a leading AI-driven platform. Dany.ai uses AI to transform sales and marketing by automating client interactions across websites, social media, and emails. Launched in 2024, it's building its user base through a waitlist, focusing on sectors like tech startups, real estate, and e-commerce for enhanced sales results. Dany.ai revolutionizes client interactions with magic capture for easy project documentation, AI-driven storytelling for compelling narratives, and an AI sales chatbot for proactive engagement. Upcoming AI-generated voice will personalize interactions. Seamless WordPress integration and smart sharing automate content distribution, optimizing marketing efforts. Pros include automated engagement and AI-driven content creation, with upcoming multi-language support and seamless WordPress integration. Cons involve its limited launch phase, dependency on technology proficiency, and potential privacy concerns from extensive AI data handling. Dany has not yet released specific pricing tiers or offered a free trial. Interested parties can sign up on the waitlist to receive future details about subscription plans and costs once the platform officially launches. AnyBiz.io redefines B2B lead generation with AI sales agents that replace traditional SDRs, offering continuous, multi-channel outreach and smart decision-making for optimized sales processes. With proven effectiveness and robust customer satisfaction, AnyBiz.io stands out as a reliable choice for scaling businesses. Dany.ai offers innovative features like AI-driven storytelling and smart sharing. However, AnyBiz.io surpasses it with a more established infrastructure, extensive integrations, and a proven track record supported by user feedback. AnyBiz.io's robust analytics and operational reliability make it the preferred choice for efficient lead generation and sales automation. Dany.ai offers promising AI tools like AI storytelling and magic capture, but is in pre-launch with limited user feedback. AnyBiz, on the other hand, is a proven platform with 24/7 AI sales agents and robust integrations, known for its effective sales process enhancements. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support. Like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.